Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a shopping list on the Amazon.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on this account and lists button at the top of the screen. Tap on this create a list button in the left side column, and here you can create a new list. As you can see in the middle of the screen, first of all you should type in the name of your list into this box and tap on the create list button. So here you can find your shopping list at the your list section on the left side. Here you can invite people to your list that can add items, and all of the items that you add will appear at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.